Hello bachcho, let's read this question. So the question says that calculate P of OH of 0.1 molarity aqueous solution of weak base BOH whose Kb value is 10 to the power minus 7 at 25 degrees Celsius. So generally we have to find out the P of OH of 0.1 molarity aqueous solution of a weak base BOH which dissociation constant, or you can say that Kb, is 10 to the power minus 7 at 25 degrees Celsius. So let's solve this question. So first we'll write like BOH, which is a weak base, so it dissociates into B plus OH minus, and initially at time t equals to 0, the concentration of BOH is 0.1 molarity, and at that time concentration of B plus and OH minus is 0. So when it dissociates like at time t, this is a time t equals to 0 like initially, and this is at the time t, it's dissociate as it is a weak base, so it it cannot completely dissociate. So here alpha is degree of dissociation, degree of dissociation. So it can't completely dissociate. So 0.1 alpha is degree of dissociation, and concentration of B plus will be 0.1 alpha and OH minus will be 0.1 alpha. So we can say that at T, like at equilibrium, 0.1 minus 0.1 alpha is equals to 0.1 alpha, and OH minus, concentration of OH minus will be 0.1 alpha. Now we can write the equilibrium constant. So equilibrium constant Kb will be concentration of B plus concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of BOH. Now we can put the values like B plus 0.1 alpha into 0.1 alpha divided by 0.1 minus 0.1 alpha. So it will be equals to 0.1 square into alpha square divided by 0.1 1 minus alpha. So it will be cancelled out and it becomes 0.1 alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha. As alpha is the degree of dissociation, it is very small. So we'll take 1 minus alpha as the value of alpha is very small and it is generally negligible as compared to 1. So we can write 1 minus alpha as 1. So it becomes 0.1 alpha square divided by 1. And Kb is given. So we got Kb is equals to 0.1 alpha square. So the value of Kb is 10 to the power minus 7, it is given, is equals to 0.1 alpha square. So alpha square will be 10 to the power minus 7 divided by 10 to the power minus 7 divided by 0.1. So now it will become 10 to the power minus 6. So alpha will become 10 to the power minus 3. So we got alpha, the value of alpha, that is 10 to the power minus 3. But we have to find out the value of P of OH. So for that we have to find out the concentration of OH minus. So now we'll find out the concentration of OH minus. So concentration of OH minus will be 0.1 alpha. So 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3. So it becomes 10 to the power minus 4. So P of OH will be minus log of OH minus, which is equals to minus log of 10 to the power minus 4. So it will equals to 4. So now P of OH is 4. So according to question you have to find out the P of OH. So we got our answer, that is 4. P of OH of weak base 0.1 molarity aqueous solution of weak base BOH is 4. So this is our final answer. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.